Yes. Exercise 11.1. Exercise 11.1.
Yes. Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, but I need introduction.
Okay. Can you read the of the mensuration?
Yes.
You know what is the meaning of the mensuration? What is the meaning of the mensuration? Whenever you have to find the area you have to find of the figures, geometrical figures, you have to find the perimeter also. For that, we are using the mensuration. So
Okay.
in the mensuration, the geometrical figures are there whenever we have to find the perimeter. You know what is the perimeter means? The sum of all the sides. As in a square, how many sides are there? 4 are there.
Four are there.
Rectangle, how many are there? 4 are there.
Four are there.
Triangle, how many are there? 3 are there. Pentagon, how many are there? 5 sides are there. Whenever we have to find the sides of all, that what is that called? This is called the perimeter. And in which part of the mass we have to study that? That is called the mensuration.
Mensuration.
We have to find the area of the figures also. Area of the square, area of the rectangle, area of the triangle also. For that also what we are using? We are using the one topic in the mass. What is that called? This is called the mensuration. So clear the mensuration? Mensuration means whenever we have to calculate the area of the perimeter of the geometrical figure. What is that called? This is called the mensuration.
Mensuration.
Here I think in your book, as the first exercise 11.1, square and rectangle field are measuring and the find can you read the first question? Can you read the first question?
A square and
Can you read the first question?
a square and a rectangle
Yes.
field with the measurement as given in the figure have the same perimeter. Which field has a larger area?
Okay. That means both having the same perimeter.
Yeah.
But here you will see that what you have to find.
We have to find the perimeter of, we have to find the perimeter of square and rectangular field.
That means what we have to find? We have to find the area. And here you will see this is given 60. First figure it is given 60. And second rectangle it is given 80.
80, yeah.
I'm correct?
Yes.
80. Perimeter of a square is the same as of perimeter of a rectangle. Just a minute. Equals to perimeter of rectangle. What is the formula of perimeter of the square? You know what is the formula of the perimeter of the square?
Yes, side into 4.
4 into side. 4 into side. By this figure, can you find the perimeter?
Yeah.
Can you find the perimeter?
Yeah, I can.
Yes. How can you find?
We should multiply 60 multiply by 4.
4. So what is the answer? 240. Unit is given meter, so you have to write this 240 meters.
Yeah.
Okay. That means the same perimeter of rectangle also, because both are equal. So what is the perimeter of the rectangle? That is also 240 meters. But in this rectangle, you will see what is given. Only the length is given. Breadth is not given.
Yeah.
Can you find the breadth also? What is the formula of the perimeter of the rectangle?
2 into L plus B.
Yes, very good. Perimeter equals to 2 length plus breadth. Here you can write 240 equals to 2. Length is how much? 80. Breadth you have to find. You know that what? How can we make it easy? This set 2 you have to write
We can take it, yeah.
down to this perimeter. 240 divided by 2 equals to 80 plus B. 2 1 ja, 2 2 ja 120 equals to 80 plus B. Breadth you have to find So this 80, when you will bring to the other side, it will be of minus. So breadth is how much? That is equals to 40 meter.
Yeah.
And now I think according to the question, what do you have to find?
What?
What do you have to find according to the question?
Find the area.
Area. So for the both, can you find the area also? Area of the square as well as area of rectangle. Area of square. What is the formula of the area square?
Area of square formula. Side into side.
Side into side. Side square we can write. How much this is 60 square. That means 60 into 60. Square means 60 into 60.
Yeah,
What is the
120.
answer? This is 3600 square meter. Okay.
Yeah. Mm.
Can you find the area of the rectangle now? Because you have the breadth also, you have the length also. So can you find the area of the rectangle? What is the formula of area of rectangle? Length into breadth.
Length into breadth.
Okay. Now you can put the value. Length is how much? 80. Breadth is how much? 40. Multiplied. What is the answer? 8 for the 32. So 3200 square meter. This is
Yeah.
3600 square meter. Which is the larger one? Square area
A
or the rectangle area?
rectangle. Rectangle.
No, larger. This is
A larger.
3600. This is 3200.
Yeah. Square.
Area of the square is larger than the area of the rectangle.
Yeah.
See again, one more time I will tell the question. One more time. After that, you can note down. I will give the time to you. First, you see what is the question. Here, this question, the square is given as well as the rectangle is also. You can see area of the square and area of the rectangle. We have to find that which is the greater one. Here, the perimeter of the square we can find. Perimeter of the rectangle also because both are equal. So perimeter of the square, what is the formula? That is 4 into side. Side is given 60. So 4 into 60, that is 240 meter. Perimeter of the rectangle, same because the perimeter is the same of square. So this is 240. Here you will see only the length is given, but breadth is not given. So we can find by using the formula, perimeter equals to 2 length plus breadth. So
Yeah.
we can find the value of breadth, which is coming, how much the breadth is coming, that is 40 meter. Length is 80 meter, breadth is 40 meter. Now we have to find the area of both, area of the square as well as area of rectangle. Area of the square is side square, that is 60 into 60, that is 3600 square meter. Okay? Then find the area of the square, 80 into 4 is 3200. But the question is that which is the larger one? 3600 is larger or 3200 is larger?
3600.
Actually, 3600 is larger. So what is here? Here we will see that the area of the square is larger than the area of the rectangle.
Rectangle. Understood.
Question is clear or not? Clear?
Yeah.
Question is clear? Any
Yes.
doubt?
No, no, no.
Okay. Then, now you can note down. If any confusion is there, then you can ask again. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Just a minute.
Hmm. Ma'am, done.
Okay. So this question.
Yes, ma'am, it's clear.
Okay. Now read the question number 2.
Mrs. Kaushik has a square plot with measurement as shown in the figure. She wants to construct a house in the middle of a, the plot. A garden is developed around the house. Find the total cost of developing a garden around the house at the rate of 50 per meter square.
And the measurement is how much? In the center there is a house.
Yeah.
Okay. And here will be the garden outside. Okay. Around the house there is a garden. The
Mm.
length is how much? That is of 25 meters. Breadth is how much? That is 15 meters.
Yeah.
Any more thing is given? Yes. This is a square. This is square, 25.
Yeah.
This is 25. And this is given 15 meter. Correct?
Mm.
And this is
Yes.
given 25.
No, actually 20.
This is given 20. Okay. So this garden is in the square shape. What can we
Mm.
find? Area of the garden, square. Can you find?
Area of garden,
This outside. This is in a square shape. Uh,
a
this
side
is
in
in the square shape. So find the area of the square. What is the formula? That is side square.
side square 25 multiplied by 25.
So you solve yourself.
Okay.
You can also solve it. 25 into 25. Tell me the question is clear or not.
Okay.
Tell me the question is clear or not to you.
Yeah, it's clear.
Clear? Because this this outside this whole plot is in the square shape.
Hmm.
Here is a house which is in the rectangular shape.
Yeah.
So first we can find the area of this square. Okay.
Oh.
Then find the area of this house also, which is
Hmm.
in the rectangle. After that, you have to subtract. So what you will get? You will get the area of the garden only.
Yeah.
Garden will be around the house. So first you find the area of the square plot. Okay. 25 into 25. After
Six.
that, you have to find the area of the house also.
Hmm.
Okay. Then subtract. So what will you get? You will get the area of the garden.
Okay. The area of
Then,
the
now,
garden is
yes.
625.
This is area of the plot, not garden. Area of the garden will be that when you subtract it.
Yeah, area of the plot.
Square plot can area of the
625.
plot.
Hmm.
625 square meter.
Yeah.
Okay. Then find the area of the house. Area of the house.
Area of the house. Okay.
What is the formula?
It's rectangular. Rectangular means area L multiplied by B.
Yes. How much the length?
When 20 multiplied by 15. 15. $300 area of house.
300 square meter, correct. Can you find the area of the garden also?
Yeah, I will subtract it.
Yes, subtract.
What is that? 625 minus 3. 300. Area of garden is 325 meter square.
Yes, 325 is square meter, but you have to find the cost.
Yeah.
1 square meter cost is given to 55. Can you
Yeah,
find the cost of 325?
yeah, we'll multiply it.
Yes, multiply by 320.
Multiply by 55. The total cost is 17,875.
325 into 55. What is the answer?
17,875.
This will be rupees.
Yeah.
Question is clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then read the next question, question number 3.
Okay. Third question. The shape of a garden is rectangular. In the middle of a semicircle, uh, uh, in the middle and circular at the ends are shown in the diagram. Find the area of perimeter of this garden. Length of rectangle is 20 minus bracket 3.5 plus 3.5 meters.
20 minus 3.5 plus 3.5.
Yeah.
This was given 20 minus 3.5. So 20 minus 7. That means 13 cm. This is the question.
Yeah.
And I think this is given 7.
Yeah, it's given 7.
is given 7. Can you find the area of the rectangle? Because this is in the rectangle shape. Here you will
Yeah.
see. Here we are getting the two type of the figure. In the center we are getting the rectangular shape, and here you will see what is given. This is in the curve shape. Half semicircle is here and half is here. And two semicircle are there. Semi means the
Yeah.
half circle.
Yeah.
Circle, you know what is the meaning of the circle? Circle means the in the round shape. But this is half, so this is the half semicircle. Can you find the area of the rectangle?
Area like
If
L multiply length multiply by breadth.
breadth. Length is how much of
Length
the rectangle?
20.
This is given 20 minus 3.5 plus 3.5. This is given.
Oh, yeah, okay.
This already we have find out. 13. 13 is given. Breadth is how much? This is 7.
7.
Yes. You can solve.
Yeah, okay.
Solve with me.
Of rectangle is equal to L multiplied by B is equal to 13 multiplied by 7. 91.
91. Unit square meter.
Square meter.
Now, can you find the area of this semicircle?
No.
3 figures are there. Na? Figure number 1, this one. Figure number 2, and this is the figure number 3. So find the area of the semicircle also. This is figure number 2. You know what is the formula of the area of the circle?
Pi r square.
Pi r square. Semicircle is there, so what can you write here? Half into pi r square.
Pi r square.
Okay.
Okay.
So can you find this one?
Yeah, of course.
But radius is how much? How much the radius will be? Because here you will see this is given total diameter is how much? 7. But we have to take the radius. How much the radius will be that? This is the half of the diameter. Total diameter is how much? That is 7. So how much we have to take? That is 3.5.
3.5. 3.5.
Decimal to 3.5 into 3.5.
Square of
Okay. One more thing I will tell you. Because the 2 are there. 1 is here, 1 is here. So directly you can do yourself. Multiply by 2.
Yeah.
2 are there, so directly you can do. 2 and 2 will be cancel. 7.5, 0.5. Or if you can reduce, you can remove the decimal, then you can write here the 10 also. 5 1 ja, 5 2 ja. 2, 11. Now the 11 into 3.5. Can you multiply this one?
Yeah.
You can do accordingly to you also. Don't see my calculation. If you can do much better, then you can do it.
$38.5.
38.5. Okay. Area of these two square is 38.5. This area of the rectangle is how much? That is coming 91 square meter.
Yeah.
Can you find the total area of the figure?
Yeah, we should add that.
Add that, yes. Area of the figure.
Wait,
91 plus 38.5.
9. 129.5 meters square.
Correct? This is the
Yeah.
one part. This is the one part area. Now the second part is what you have to find. Perimeter also.
Yeah, we should find the perimeter also.
Perimeter also of this
Area.
figure. Here this is 13. This already we got the 13. This is 13. This is also 13.
Yeah.
This side also we have to find. Tell me that how can we find the perimeter of the semicircle? What is the formula? Perimeter means the circumference. Perimeter is the circumference. What is the formula of the circumference of a circle?
2 pi r square.
2 pi. No, only 2 pi r, not
2
r
pi.
square.
Yeah, okay.
2 pi r. Okay, okay. So can you find perimeter circumference? The circumference of the
Semicircle.
semicircle कर देते हैं. Semicircle. 2 are there, so multiply with 2.
To multiply
2
by
pi r and divided by 2, and here you will see that again 2 is there. So you know that what is the formula again 2 pi r?
Yeah.
This is clear or not? Because formula is 2 pi r. Semicircle is there, then half will be there. But because 2 are there, so we have to multiply by the 2. So 2 and 2 is cancelled. So what is the formula? 2 pi r, again the same thing already. Half
Yeah.
and half means the full is there. So
Yeah.
circumference of the, there are 2 semicircles. Okay, 2 semicircles. So there will be no any confusion. 2 semicircle equals to 2 pi r. Can you find? 2 into pi is 22 upon 7. Radius is how much? 3.5. Remove the decimal, put here the 0, 7 5s, 5 2s, this is cancelled, this is 22. Correct?
Yeah, 1 second. Yeah.
First you
22.
see this is clear or not. This is clear or not.
Actually, how did you simplify 7?
Simplified. Okay, okay. I will tell. This is 2 pi r. 2 pi value, you know that how much it is? That is 22 upon 7.
Yeah.
This value, you know. Radius is how much? 3.5.
3.5.
3.5 is there. I remove the decimal. When from the numerator, I will remove the decimal. In
So,
denominator, because after the decimal, one digit is there. So I have to put here the 1 0 only. That means the 10 only we have to put. So here we are getting 2 into 22 upon 7 into 35 upon 10. Remove the decimal upon 10. So 35 divided by 7, what is the answer? This is 5. This is 5 and this is 10. 5 1 ja, 5 2 ja. 2 and 2 is cancelled. So what is left? 22.
Okay.
Take the time, no problem is there. Take your time. 1 minute, 2 minutes, you can take. If any confusion is there, again you can ask.
Okay.
Clear? But this is the circumference of the semicircle, but rectangle is there.
Yeah.
Total perimeter. So that means the perimeter of rectangle we have to find. One side is given 13, another side is also 13, and this is 22.
Perimeter of triangle.
I will show you again. Rectangle क्या पूरा ही होगा. The perimeter of the whole figure. Rectangle plus circle.
Hmm. I understand.
This by the figure I will show you. You can see in the figure. This is 13.
Yeah.
13. eh? This this is also 13. And this both side, how much is that? Which we got of circle.
22.
Perimeter of the circle which we have got 22. So 13 plus 13, two side. And this is circle which we got 13
Okay.
plus 13 plus 22. Add it. What is the answer? This is 48 centimeters.
So
48
this,
meters.
so this
No,
is
no,
the
again I will tell you this. This is the perimeter. Perimeter of the whole figure. Two
yeah.
questions are there, na? You have to find the area as well as the perimeter also you have to find.
Yeah.
Complete the question. Again I will tell this question.
Yeah. Okay.
From the area. From the first part.
Yeah. Yeah. You can explain actually.
Yes. Now you can see this figure is given. This is
Hmm.
rectangular and this whole length is given 20 meters.
Ah.
This breadth is given the 7 meters.
Hmm.
And here as the length of this rectangle is given, and I think this hint is given in my book. This is 20 minus 3.5 plus 3.5. That means 20 minus 7. So the length of the rectangle is how much? That is 13 centimeters. This is clear or not?
Yes, it's clear.
I think little you are confusing that because this is the whole length of the curve plus this rectangle also.
Okay.
This whole length is 20. But in the question also this is given. What is given? That the length of the rectangle is 20 minus 3.5 plus 3.5. This is given in the question.
Okay. Understood now. Okay.
So what is the length of the rectangle? That is coming 13. So this means
13.
inside this one, this length, how much this is? This is 13 meters. This length is how much? This is 13 meters.
Okay. Understood.
This is clear or not?
Yeah. Now it's clear.
Confusion will be, only the confusion will be here only.
Ah.
This is the length of the rectangle.
Yeah.
Around that, here you will see that it's making the curve. Here also it is making the curve.
Hmm.
And the diameter of the curve is how much? That is given as the 7 meter.
7.
This is in the curve shape. So that's why we have to find the area. This is semicircle. Half of the circle is here, half of the circle is there. That
Hmm.
means actually this is the complete circle if you will see.
It's a complete circle. Yeah.
So here you can write half into pi r square and multiply by 2 also. Or you can directly you can write area of the two semicircle is pi r square. This also directly you can do.
Hmm.
Because little confusion may be there. That's why I have written this half into pi r square. This is for the first one, then this is for this also. So together I have written. Pi
Okay.
value, we know that this is 22 upon 7. Radius is how much? Whole diameter is how much? 7. Radius is how much? That is 3.5. 3.5 into 3.5 divided by 10 because I removed the decimal and here I have written the 10.
Yeah.
So by
Understood.
the calculation, as we do it, what is the answer? This is coming 38.5.
Yeah.
So your first part is you have to find the area of this whole figure. Area of the whole figure is how much? That is area of the rectangle plus area of the circle, 91 plus 38.5. So when you will add it, it is coming 129.5 square meter.
Yeah. Understood.
Now the clear? Clear? Okay.
That's
But
clear.
the you have to find the perimeter also. See, the perimeter means sum of all the sides. From anywhere you can start, either from here you can start or from here you can start from anywhere. That means we have to take the round. Suppose here, then this is in curve shape. So that means the perimeter means for the curve, it will be the circumference. So you have to find the circumference of this semicircle. You have to find the circumference of this semicircle.
This one. Okay.
Semicircle plus semicircle, that means one circle is that. This
Hmm.
is the rectangular length. How much it is? This is 13. This is also 13. So now you can solve it. Area of the two semicircle, that means 2 pi r, 22 upon 7 into 3.5. Remove the decimal, divided by 7, divided by 10. As we will solve it, this is coming 22 meter. We have to find the perimeter of the whole figure, rectangle plus circle together. Okay, so 13 plus 13, that is of rectangle, and 22 is of a circle. So what is it? This is 48 meter. And perimeter unit is only meter, and area unit is always in square.
Square. The perimeter is only does not.
Because the two dimension we are using, length into breadth, into is there, that's why it will be in the square. Here the plus is there, so it will be only meter.
Okay.
You know the difference between the unit of perimeter and the area? Area unit will be always in the square, and the unit of perimeter will be simple, meter, centimeter, like this only.
Okay. Understood.
Okay, the question is clear? You
Yes,
have
ma'am.
noted down or not?
Yeah, I'm noting.
Okay. The next question.
Question number 4. A flooring tile has the shape of parallelogram whose base is 24 centimeter and the corresponding height is 10 centimeter. How many such tiles is required to cover a floor of area 180 meter square? If required, you can split the tiles in whatever way you want to fill up the corners.
Okay. First, you tell me the question. What is given in the question?
In the question, area is given.
Area
Height
of the
parallelogram.
parallelogram. That
And
is, the room is in the shape of the parallelogram. You know what is a parallelogram?
parallelogram is
Opposite sides are parallel, equal and the parallel. This side is parallel to this one. This side is also the parallel to this one. It is in this shape. And the base is given as a 24 centimeter. And the
yeah,
height is 10 centimeter.
10 centimeter.
You know what is the formula of the area of the parallelogram?
No.
No. Base into the corresponding height. Base into corresponding height. Base means this one. Corresponding height means over which the height is there. So which base you have to take? 24.
24.
So can you find the area of this parallelogram? 24 into 10. That means 240 square centimeter.
Yeah.
Second thing, what is given in the question?
Second thing.
This is the area of the, you know that what is it? This is the area of a tile. This is the area of the tile. This is again 70 centimeter. This is the area of a tile.
Area of a tile. Okay.
Tile, only the
The
tile.
total
Tile is
area
in
of
the
that.
parallelogram shape.
Yeah.
The total area of the room is given. How much?
That is
Area of the floor is given. Area of floor.
1080. So
How
we
much
have
is given? That is.
how many tiles is needed, right?
You have to
Okay.
change little things because the
Because
area of the tile, which is given in the centimeter. You know that
centimeter.
what we have to do, because here the units are different. This is given centimeter, this is given in meter, and a square unit, if you will change, then it will be little difficult for you. So it's better that instead of centimeter you can convert into the meter only.
Yeah.
Then it will be easy for you.
We will
So
divide it by
24
100.
centimeter, you know that what can we do? We can write here by 100. Yes, very good. 0.10. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, one more zero you have to. So this answer will be 0.0240 square meter.
Yeah.
Don't convert this square unit. Otherwise, it will be little difficult for you. It's
Yeah.
better that the simple unit we have to convert. 24 centimeter convert into meter. 10 centimeter convert into the meter. So 0.24 into 0.10. What is the answer? 0.0240 square meter.
Mm. Zero
You have
point.
to find the number of tiles. One more very easy thing I will tell you. You have to keep in your mind. Whenever
Mm.
you have to find any number of tiles, number of toys, number of bricks also, whenever you have to find the number, greater
Mm.
area always you have to keep upside. Greater thing should be always upside in the numerator. Greater. ठीक है?
Okay.
यहाँ पर area दिया हुआ, so you have to write greater area and divided by the smaller area.
Okay.
Okay. Always greater area, numerator, smaller denominator. If volume is there, greater volume numerator, smaller volume denominator. For anything, whenever we have to find the number. What is the greater area? That is 1080.
Yeah.
And smaller area, that is 0.0240.
Correct.
And here you can see after the decimal, four digit are there. So remove the decimal. 1, 2, 3, 4. You can put here the 0. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is cancelled by this one. And now you can reduce by the 4 or by the 2 or by the 6, which you will like. You can do it and tell me what is the answer. Divide that and tell me. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 and divided by 24.
Okay.
And tell me the number of tiles.
45,000.
45,000. Correct.
So the number of tiles is 45,000.
See again the question. Ah, yes, correct. Now see the question. Question is, do you understand this question or problem is there? But main problem is that here you will see the units are different. Unit
Yeah.
of tiles are given in centimeter, while the unit of floor is given in the meter only. So whenever you will see the different unit are there, we have to make the same unit.
Okay.
Okay. Which is the easiest one here? Whenever the square is given, don't convert this one. Otherwise, it will be the little difficult for you. The simple
Okay.
unit are given centimeter is given, then you have to convert into the meter. So 24 centimeter, when you will convert into the meter, divided by 100, 24 upon 100, so 0.024. 0.24. 10 divided by 100, this is 0.10. Area of the tile that you have to find. This is the area of the one tile. Area of the floor is also given. And already I told you, whenever the number of tiles you have to find, with the greater value, always you have to write in the numerator,
Yeah.
divided by the smaller. Here area is given, so smaller by the smaller area you have to divide. What is the greater value? That is 1080. Smaller, that is 0.240. So remove the decimal, put here the zeros, and after that, as you will calculate it, what is the answer? Answer is coming as 45,000.
Understood.
Yeah. Read the next question.
Okay. An ant is moving around a few pieces of different shapes scattered on the floor. For which food piece would the ant have to make a longer round? Remember, circumference of circle can be obtained using the expression c is equal to 2 pi r, where r is the radius of the circle.
So this is clear question.
It's clear. We should find the um, circumference of the circle in
Yes.
every part.
Yes. Tell me that this question is clear or not. Read again this question because this is little different question. The ant is moving around a few food pieces of the different shape. You can see the first shape. What is the first shape?
Semicircle.
Semicircle. Second shape. Yes,
Second
second
shape,
shape.
uh,
The
uh,
rectangle is there. A rectangle
it's
is
a
there. No? One
rectangle.
rectangle is also given.
It's a
And
rectangle.
inside there is the semicircle is there. And the
Yeah.
third shape, just like the cone, it is given. The curve is given, and these two sides are given.
So in the second part, we will find the circumference of the circle and the rectangle area, or we will subtract, right?
Yes.
Okay.
So you
And
have to find the circumference of the first part.
okay.
Can you find the circumference of the first figure?
Yes, I can.
Semicircle is that. What is the formula?
2 pi r.
2 pi r. But semicircle is that. 2 pi
Uh,
r divided by 2.
2.
So what is the formula now? 2 and 2 will be cancelled.
Pi r.
Pi r. Yes.
Pi r pi value is equal to 22 by 7 multiplied by 2.8.
Radius is how much?
2.8.
Diameter is 2.8.
Yeah.
So radius will be how much? Diameter divided by 2. That is 2.8 divided by 2.
It will be 4.4 centimeter.
4.4 centimeter. The total circumference is how much? Total distance you have to find it by the ant. Total distance. Semicircle is how much? That is 4.4.
Yeah.
And the this diameter, the length of the diameter is how much? That is 2.8.
Yeah.
So total length is how much? 4 to 6, 7.2.
10.2. Actually, why are we adding at the end to 2.8?
Pardon me?
Why are we adding?
Because you have to find the total perimeter, total circumference you have to find.
Okay. So at the last step, we find the semicircle perimeter, right?
Because that ant will cover the whole part from this side. It will start from here, then going to this side and coming to this also. Ant
Oh,
is moving like that only. One ant is there which is start to moving from this side. From here it will start coming to this side and then going to this side also.
yeah. So the in the last step, we find the upper part, or we find the perimeter circumference.
Yes, yes. This the whole part where it is moving, that you have to find. This is the
Oh,
curve. You can find this area and from here also it is moving here. So that
yes.
means 4.5 plus 2.2. The whole you have to find.
Yeah, understood.
Now, can you find the second part also? In second part,
Hmm. Part number 2. We will find the perimeter area of the rectangle and the area of the,
not area. You have to find the, because distance only it will cover. No? Distance means you
yeah,
have to find the circumference, the
perimeter.
perimeter.
Perimeter. We will find the
Uh,
perimeter of rectangle and
perimeter. Yes. You
circumference
have
of,
to find the perimeter of the rectangle as well as the perimeter of the circle also.
yeah,
Find.
perimeter. The circumference of semicircle we will use as pi r, right?
Fire, yes. That it will be.
Mm.
Completed? This diameter is 2.8. That means half we have to take, that is 1.4.
Yeah.
22 upon 7 into 1.4. Remove the decimal upon 10. So as we will solve it on what answer? 4.4 centimeter.
Hmm.
This we are getting. The
Yeah.
total distance, this is 2.8 plus 1.5, because this is 1.5, so this is also 1.5. Okay, 1.5, 1.5 plus 1.5 two times 2.8, and this area of the circle, circumference of the circle, that is 4.4. Add all these, what is the answer? That is 10.2. Total distance covered by the ant is how much? That is coming 10.2.
Okay.
1.5, 1.5, this is 2.8, and for this one, this is 4.4. This circle.
Okay, understood.
Clear the total distance? Ant is moving like this, going in this shape, moving here, then going here, then coming to this side. That means you have to find the area of this one, this side plus this side plus this side.
Yeah, understood.
Now the one more figure is also given, third figure. See the third figure. How can you find in the third figure? Two sides are given, 2 and 2. This is given 2 centimeter. This is also 2 centimeter. This is in the curve shape,
Yeah.
which is given here again at 2.8. Same thing as already you have done. Semicircle you have to find.
Okay. Ma'am, for 1 second, can you wait because my charger is low in my laptop. I'll go to my hall to charge it.
Okay. How much time it will take?
No, it will take only 1 second. I'll put in charger and attend the
Okay.
class.
Okay, okay, okay. You can do.
Yeah, I will off my camera. अम्मा उधर जाओ ना माँ नहीं चार्जर 2% में आ गया हम बोल दिया चार्जर एक से में वापस आ जाना जाओ ना क्या मांग करना है सीधा दिखना Yes, ma'am, I'm ready.
Yes, ready now? Okay. Now here you can see this is given. This of the figure is given. Can
Yeah.
you find the circumference? Circumference means perimeter you have to find. This I think already we have find. Here also we have find 2.8. This is 2.8.
4.4.
This is 4.4. So this area is equals to circumference equals to 4.4 centimeter.
Yeah.
From here it will start to move. This ant is moving from this side, moving to this side, then coming. This is 2 plus 4.4 and again 2. What is the answer? 2 2 is the 4, 4 4, 8.4.
Yeah.
Now can you tell me that which in which the it will cover the large distance? In the first one, we are getting the answer as 7.2. Second, we are getting 10.2, and third, we are getting 8.4. So, in which figure it is taking the large distance? It will cover the large distance.
At the second part.
First figure, second figure, or third? In the second part, it will cover the large. I think this is the question only.
Yeah.
Clear or not?
Yeah, fair.
One thing I will tell you, if you having any confusion in this question, now I will leave the class. I think the 5 or 6 question we completed today. And
Yeah,
tomorrow is the holiday. Sunday you will not come.
yeah.
Okay. So you have to do again these questions yourself.
Okay.
Today you're having the holiday in the school, no? So you can complete. If any confusion is there, any doubt is there in any calculation or any question, then Monday you can ask me.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So any confusion is there?
No, no, no any confusion.
But one more time you can try these questions again yourself. If any confusion is because it will take 1 or 2 class, then you will be habitual with me only, na?
Yeah.
Okay, so you can complete this question again, and if any confusion, any problem will be there, then Monday you can ask.
Okay,
Okay.
ma'am. Yeah.
Should I leave the class now?
Yes.
Okay, bye.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, bye.
Bye.